Hello and welcome to another episode of Technical Analysis by the Finance and Investment Cell of Kirori College. Ayush discussed in the last video that the market may go bullish on 11th of June. However, that was not the case and the market consolidated sideways. There was initial movement in the market, however, the market remained silent. Now let's make our predictions for 24th of June by analyzing the markets on 23rd. Firstly, we'll use the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. As we can see that the price is currently below both the EMAs and the 21 EMA is above the 9 EMA. This is a bearish setup and indicates short-term weaknesses. Now let's move on to the moving averages, the simple moving averages, the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. The price is currently between both the moving averages, and the 50 moving average is currently above the 200 moving average. The 200 moving average is a very key level to track as it may provide long-term support. Now let's look at the Bollinger Bands. The price is currently between both the bands, suggesting that the market isn't in oversold or overbought conditions, and the price being below the middle line is a signal of bearish biasness. Now let's look at the trend that has been continuing. There has been a bearish trend in the market. As we can see, the RSI is currently 36.7, weak momentum but not yet oversold, and it may continue to fall slightly. Now we'll look at the VIX. The VIX is currently 14.05, which indicates that there is low volatility in the markets and the markets will stay calm. The put call ratio is currently 0.79, more puts than calls, indicating a bearish sentiment. The RSI 36.7, weak momentum, not yet oversold. The EMAs suggesting short term weaknesses. The moving average, the 50 moving average being above the price, being above the 200 moving average. This suggests mid term downtrend and long term support below. The Bollinger Bands again not oversold, price between both bands, below middle line, bearish biasness. The super trend is currently red, selling conditions in the market. The support is currently 24,900 and 24,800. The resistance is currently 25,000 and 25,200. Now for the predictions for 24 June. The markets are moderately bearish. The markets may mildly correct on 24th of June due to short-term weaknesses indicated by the EMA, or it may even show sideways movement. The markets may possibly fall into the 24900 and 24800 zone, with the 200 moving average acting as a very key level of support, breaking of which could result in a long-term bearish trend. However, if the price breaks 25,200 and above, upward movement is expected. Thank you.